she's so fine. Helluva, blows my mind. Helluva, lights my day.
What's good, guys? This story is coming out of Middletown, Ohio. It was originally brought to me by subscriber Tracy, and Marie722 sent me an update to the story. I will link the original video in the description box. Mom accused of killing son 6 and throwing his body in the river is ruled competent to stand trial, and I say that with a big smile on my face. That is a picture on the left of young sweet-faced little James Hutchinson and his mama on the right. How could you hurt that sweet-faced little kid? An Ohio mother accused of killing her 6-year-old son and throwing his body into the Ohio River has been deemed competent to stand trial. On March the 8th, Brittany Gosney, 29 of Middletown, was arrested and charged in connection with the February 26th death of her son, first grader James Hutchinson, according to online court records. Gosney allegedly confessed to police that she killed him on February the 26th while trying to abandon him and her 2 other children, aged 7 and 9, at a desolate park in Preble County in the middle of the night, according to court documents obtained by WLWT, WAVE3 and WCPO. Her boyfriend, James Hamilton, 42, had allegedly pressured her to get rid of her children, according to an incident report obtained by the Journal News and the Daily Beast. And that is a picture of James Hamilton. On the night of February 26, Gosney allegedly drove the children to Rush Run Park, ordered them to get out of the minivan, and then drove away, authorities said, according to the documents. She allegedly, quote, hogtied, end quote, and gagged the 3 children for several hours on either February the 25th or February the 26th before bringing them to the park, prosecutors said in court documents obtained by WCPO. On February 26, as she allegedly sped off into the night, James grabbed onto the door handle, the documents state. Gosney ended up, quote, dragging him for a distance at a high rate of speed, end quote, the documents alleged. When she returned to the park about a half hour later, she found the young boy in the middle of the road and thought he was dead. She put him and the 2 other children in the minivan and brought them home. She put James in an upstairs bedroom, the documents allege. The next day, she told police she drove to the Ohio River where she and Hamilton allegedly dumped his body in the water, according to the documents. Gosney is charged with a slew of offenses, including murder, abuse of a corpse, and endangering children abuse. Hamilton is charged with several crimes, including kidnapping, abuse of a corpse, and tampering with evidence. They both initially pleaded not guilty to the charges against them. On March 22nd, Gosney's attorney filed a motion for a plea of not guilty by reason of insanity in Butler County Common Pleas Court, according to online court records. That same day, the court ordered Gosney to undergo a psychological examination, quote, to have her tested and evaluated for her competency and sanity at the time of the commission of the offense, end quote, Judge Noah Power said at the time, Fox 19 reports. During a hearing on Monday, she was found competent to stand trial, according to online records. Gosney remains held at the Butler County Jail on a $2 million bond, online jail records show. Hamilton remains held in jail on a $750,000 bond, online jail records show. They are both scheduled to return to court on May the 24th. Their attorneys did not immediately respond to people's requests for comment. These 2 people, I'm so glad that they didn't let her get away with the insanity BS. You could tell that she was faking it when she showed up in court the first time, just acting like she didn't know what in the world was going on. Oh, you know what you did. I hope they throw these 2 under the jail, and I hope they never, ever see the light of day. The 2 other children who did survive, the 7 and 9-year-old, have been placed with other people, thank goodness. But this story just really, it did something to me. Anytime you hurt a child You are a despicable person, in my opinion. And there'll never be enough time for these two to serve, for justice to truly be served. I'm going to end the video on that note, but I appreciate each and every one of you for your time watching these videos. You truly don't know how much I appreciate you. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.